Gillespies Beach, 21 kilometres from Fox Glacier. I was hoping for a clear mountain views from the beach. In 1865, a prospector named Gillespie discovered gold along the beach. Soon, a settlement of several hundred people was established. By 1920, Gillespies Beach was a ghost town. Between 1933 and 1946, the area was revived when a large bucket dredge mined the beach sands and the old town site. We can see in this short drone flight the extent of the dredging operations along the beach in the green area as distinct from the swampland behind. The local pilot, Colin Tuck, reckons the gold seam was lost by the dredging operation and went broke trying to re-establish where the gold was located. On a sunny day, this area is splendid for photography of New Zealand's highest mountains. Unfortunately, this was not one of those days. So I contented myself flying the drone over this spectacular area. Thanks for watching.